Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in your goal. Set a modest deficit of 10-20% or 250-500 kcal per day so you maintain energy. Once done, enter accurate weight, height, age, and health and make sure Apple Watch syncs. Next, enable active calories and confirm move ring settings reflect kcal, not steps. You do this because accurate inputs produce reliable burn estimates, so the watch can guide your daily intake and activity decisions without. Now you track both sides of the equation. Record every meal in Health or a paired app so calories match the watch's active energy. While exercising, use the workout app. Choose outdoor walk or run for best GPS and calorie accuracy, and tag strength or HIIT sessions to capture afterburn. Once you review weekly trends, weight, active energy, and calories, you adjust intake by 50-100 kcal if weight loss stalls, because small changes prevent metabolic slowdown. To finish the cycle, you stabilize habits. Weigh once weekly at the same time and log to Health, then review the 3-week trend before changing targets. Make sure to calibrate your watch monthly. Do a 20-minute outdoor walk or run with GPS to refine calorie estimates. If numbers feel inconsistent, check watch fit and wrist placement, confirm health data syncs, and re-enter current weight. That troubleshooting step fixes most errors and keeps your deficit honest and sustainable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.